whatever, so it looks like a little bit dramatic, but it looks super cute because the crystal gonna be on the top of it. I promise it's gonna be so simple. All right, ready?
Go for it.
Hold on. Let's pick 1, 2. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Can everyone see? All right. Look at that, how cool it is. Haha. Super easy, right? All right, again. You'll make it look so fancy and it's just like, it's super easy. 1, 2, and 3. Again. Ready? You probably create the set in like half an hour. I like it. All right, again. If you want your line to be thicker, you can definitely pick the more weaver gel. If you want the line to be thinner, pick less weaver gels. That's all you need to do. Okay, moving on, the pinky. 1, 2, 3, and then you are good to go. If you're like working, you can definitely do this in a lunch break, right, Nika? Yeah. Like I'm doing it in lunch break. Yep. Okay, I'll just wipe off my stand. It doesn't have to be anything with the nail. So okay, happy? We are going to cure this baby for 60 seconds, but I'm